Hello, and welcome to the Michigan Department of Education's NexSys tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to request and certify funds in NexSys. There's also a written technical assistance guide that goes over this process. If you'd like to view that, just go to the link on screen. Alright, let's get into the process flow. Before requesting funds, you must first run the Fund Request Report. This will get you your agreement number, program number, and project number. To run the fund request report, go to Accounting, and then External Entity Report, and then finally select Fund Request. Then put in your agreement number and hit Search. Once the report loads, export it to Excel. In Excel, you're going to be looking for three things in order to draw funds: your agreement number, your program number, and your project number. Once you have all three things, we can continue. Alright, back in NexSys, you're next going to want to go to Administration, and then Account Administration, and finally Fund Requests. From here, enter in the agreement number, program number, and project number exactly as they appear on your report. Once those are entered, hit Search. A table should now appear. Review the records and select the correct entry. Now enter your total expense amount. The system will automatically calculate the amount to be paid based on your entries. If needed, you can also enter a revenue code, but this field is optional. Click Save to create the request. In this example, we reported an additional $1,000 in expenditures since the previous request. If you enter an amount that exceeds the approved total, the system will display an error and prevent the request from being saved. Since our request did not exceed the approved total, it's now pending under the status option. You must repeat this process for each program and project as needed. Alright, once you're done with all your fund requests, we need to certify them. This will take them out of the pending status and into the certified status. Navigate to Administration, and then Account Administration, and then finally Certifying Fund Request. To certify your fund request, enter in your agreement number, and then hit Search. A drop-down menu will appear of all your pending fund requests. In this example, we only have one, but you may have done this process multiple times, and if so, multiple fund requests will appear. The good news is, if that's the case, you only need to certify them once. If you want to certify all of them, just check the total box, and then click Agree to the above. As you can see, the status is now certified. If a user edits a fund request after certification, the status moves back to pending and must be recertified. Wrapping up, if you wish to view a history of your processed payments, NexSys has a ledger. To access the ledger, navigate to Accounting, and then External Entity Report, and down at the bottom, click Payment Ledger. From here, enter in your agreement number, and then enter a date range. Using a date range is a good rule of thumb to help prevent the system from returning too many search results and timing out. Then, once your date range and agreement number are in, hit Search. As you can see, the payment ledger has returned with results. If you'd like, you can export these results to Excel. You have now learned how to request and certify funds in NexSys. Remember to run the fund request report first, enter accurate information in, and certify all requests before completion. For additional details, please refer to the written technical assistance guide found at the link on screen. Thanks for watching.